think the time is right now what? Let me see. The time is 2:29 right now, and obviously mornings are like afternoon now because abhi schedule to abhi मालूम है schedule तो you guys know it's totally screwed up right now. So I've been sleeping at 5 in the morning and waking up at 2 o'clock. This happens only over the weekends because now I finally started watching Money Heist. Finally, because a lot of my friends actually recommended this show to me, and I just wanted to see how it is. Basically, right now I'm on season 1 only, and trust me, oh my god, Professor is another level. The kind of intelligence he has, and the character which he's actually playing, oh my god, literally it's unimaginable. The kind of twists and turns, literally, it's worth watching. If you guys have not started watching Money Heist, then I really recommend that you guys really should watch Money Heist. And I think right now what season 3 is out right now, if I'm not wrong, a couple of weeks back. I'm not sure about it. So, but I'm right now just on season 1, and trust me, trust me, and I'm literally loving that show so much. And look at my hair, literally it has grown so much. Just have a look at my hair. Literally, is the first time I'm growing my hair so much, but now can't help it, can't really go out. So let me see all once I'm done setting my hair. There you go. So basically today I'm planning to actually get out of the house, not unnecessarily. I'm actually planning to go to the petrol pump because yesterday I just gone down to just check my bike. All right, obviously you have to start the bike. I did not ride my bike from past what 1 month I think now, and it's just been standing in one spot. And abhi to, you have to like kind of put the engine on. So yesterday I just went down and I was just checking everything, and that's when I got to know that the bike tire already punctured hai. Now I don't know how did that happen, but it's very weird. The bike was just standing in one position, one spot. अभी ऐसा पंचर कैसे हुआ? I have no idea. So I have to go today to get the tire checked. And the petrol pumps are open what from 7 in the morning till what 7 in the evening, and some petrol pumps are open till 4 or 5 in the evening. पता नहीं, every petrol pump has their own timings. Let's see. I'll go today and I'll check it out and I'll get my tire fixed. Well, that's the plan for today. Finally leaving to go to the petrol pump now. And look at my bike. I'll just show you my bike how it is right now. That is the condition of my bike right now. After so many days, literally इतना ख़राब हो गया है. And this is the tire. This is the rear tire जो actually puncture हो गया है. I have to go get this thing fixed, and that's the other bike which I have. That's Bajaj Avenger 220cc. And chalo, let's go. Guys, look at the roads over here. They are literally so empty. Oh my god, it's literally fun to ride and obviously drive on these empty roads. So yeah, I just have to go get my tire fixed and then so now the cops are there. पंचर है टायर मेरा, ये देखो. पेट्रोल पंप जाना है मेरे को. हाँ, कैमरा है ये इसके लिए. Lockdown might even extend because the numbers are literally increasing. Hope that numbers don't increase a lot. Yeah, God, really, like, just hope, just keep your fingers crossed. That's it. So this area is Kemp's Corner area, and some work is going on right now out here. And where I have to go, it is from here, from the signal I have to take a right. That is the petrol pump which I have to go to, and I really hope that the पंचर वाला बंदा चालू है. अदरवाइज तो मेरा यहाँ पे मेरा निकलने का ही एक्चुअली यूजलेस हो गया. देन let's see. I hope he is open. खुला तो दिख रहा है, देखते हैं वो करेगा कि नहीं. चल ठीक है, चालू है, बच गया.
So this was the thing which was there in the tire, इसकी वजह से मेरा पंचर हुआ.
So finally I'm done with the puncture, and the worst part out here is there were literally 4 punctures and not just only one puncture. So one puncture was in the rear tire and another 3 punctures were in the front tire. Thank God I got it checked, and God knows what would have really happened. Now I'm on my way back home. Construction is happening here. This petrol pump is also open. This slope which you can see, this slope is actually called as PDP slope, and on my right hand side this is called as Priya Darshini Park. PDP, one of the famous parks in Mumbai actually. On my left it's Godrej Bagh, called as Hyderabad Estate. This car is going towards that only. And now from here, if you take a left then you will reach Hanging Garden, and if you take a right from here then you will reach Malabar Hill. Guys, that's about it. So I hope you all liked the video. If you all did, then do hit the like button, do share and subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye guys, take care, stay home, stay safe.